to Supersonic Science. This week we're going to make ketchup conduct an electric current. The materials you're going to need are a plate, a penny, aluminum foil, and ketchup. Start by ripping off a piece of aluminum foil and cutting a small piece out. Take the aluminum foil and place it in the middle of your plate. Put the penny on one side of the foil. Next, put some ketchup on top of the penny. Fold the aluminum foil in half and press down to secure the penny in place. Now let it sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can see that there are holes forming where the penny sits in the aluminum foil. Upon opening the aluminum foil, we can see that one side of the penny seems as though it was burned. This is a sign that a chemical reaction has taken place. After rinsing off the aluminum foil, we can clearly see the holes left behind. This is because the ketchup acts as a conducting fluid between the aluminum foil and the penny. This allows the penny to pull electrons, which then creates an electric current, creating the holes in the aluminum foil. I hope you enjoyed this week's Supersonic Science episode and join us next week for another experiment.